Alright, so for the first part, the work together is done. Then you're going to click on the application problem tab. And for the application problem, you have the weekly dates going down for the Dow Jones and the S&P, and then what I want you to do is select the stock that you've been following. So if you go to google.com/finance, type in your stock. I'll type in one. And then click on historical prices over on the left hand side. Then you want to click on the weekly, and you want to update it so it says January 1st, 2011 to January 24th, 2012, and click update. As you can see, the stock prices have been updated to weekly and all the way through the dates that you set. Then click download the spreadsheet on the right hand side. Just click open. Then it opens up another Excel spreadsheet with that entire sheet of data that was listed for you. Then highlight the last 4 columns, and you want to delete them because you don't need them. And you're just going to highlight the first 2 columns of data, the date and the open. You're going to copy it and you're going to paste it over into your stock chart. Actually, before you do that, what you want to do is click on data. Sorry about that. Click on, before you copy and paste, you want to click on data, then sort. And you want to sort by the date, oldest to newest. Click OK. Okay. Now what I want you to do is copy and paste that data into cell A2. Let me try that again. And it doesn't like that. I wonder why. Okay. Just highlight the cells. I highlighted the whole columns. You just need to highlight the cells just with the data. So it would be A1, or let's go A2, all the way down through your last column, or last row data. So don't highlight the date in the open, just highlight A2 all the way down through the last one. Copy. And paste it in A2. If the dates change, it's okay. Alright. So once you have those down, and you have the dates in order, if you have any extra rows of data, you can just delete them. Just get rid of them if there's any extra rows. And if not, what I want you to do is the percent change then for each one, for the stock, for the Dow, and the S&P. Alright, now how do you do that? Well, the first one's going to be left void, so we can black that out going across. And the second one, in cell C3 you can type equals, open parentheses. You can do the change, which is B3 minus B2, close the parentheses, and divide it by cell B2. And you get negative 6% I get for the first one. Now your numbers might be different, but I want you to do then is change the format to, let's go 2 decimals. Then you can click and drag down. And so to finish this activity, then what I want you to do is the same thing for the Dow and for the S&P 500. And then I want you to create a graph like we did in the work together. So it should look something like this, but with these numbers. And then you can submit the file on Moodle.